All right, we are now on lesson 2 here in equations, and this time we're going to identify solutions. So basically, we're going to see if the solution that's given is going to be true or not. So, so 1a, it says 12x equals 84 when x is equal to 7. So just like what we did with expressions, you're just going to substitute the value of x in here. So you just got to ask yourself if I put that in there, is this statement true? Is 12 times 7 84? We know that it is true. So therefore, we're going to put true over here. By the way, obviously you don't have a copy of this page, right? This is another one that I'm going over some examples. B, we have y minus 10 equals 50 when y equals 40. So I'm going to substitute 40 in place of y. So is 40 minus 10, does that equal 50? And we know that's not true. So we're going to put a slash through that saying it's not equal. All right. And then we're going to put a false over here. All right. And then we do it with fractions. This says 1/2 times 32. Okay. Is that equal to 16? Well, when we use multiplication, you use the word of. So is half of 32 equal to 16? And that's true. And then on the bottom one, they give us one that a little two-step problem. We have 3 times x minus 1 when x equals 9. So it'd be 9 minus 1. Okay, does that equal 27? So we would have 9 minus 1 first is 8. And then 3 times 8 certainly does not equal 27. It equals 24. So that's false. So we're just testing to see if the solution they give us is a solution or is true to make the equation true. Number 2 is like a multiple choice. It says for which value of x in the set below is a solution to the equation 4x minus 14 equals 38. Okay, so if I just try one, I'll try 12. Is 4 times 12 minus 14 equal to 38? All right, so there's 2 steps, so I have to show my work here. 4 times 12 is 48. I'm going to solve the left side of the equation. So 48 minus 14 would be 34, and that doesn't equal 38, so that's not true. So we're a little low here, so that means I got to go with a number higher. So let's try the next one. 4 times 13 minus 14, does that equal 38? So once again, we're going to multiply first. 4 times 13 is 52. Okay, and then 52 minus 14 is equal to 38. So the left side is equal to the right side now. So they want to know what value of x. Well, x is equal to 13. That's our solution to the problem. Okay, number 3 is they have all these lists of values, and then they have all these equations. Okay, so these are basically, it's like a matching, even though there's more of these lists of values than what you need. So basically, I'll just do a couple of these. But if I had 1,000 minus a equals 400, well, we know that's 600. So it's kind of like a matching. So this would be for number 1. And 1,000 minus 600 is equal to 400. Okay, and then if I did like number 5, 2e equals 1. So I'm got to get something lower. So that means I got to have a fraction. So 2 times 1/2 is equal to 1. So this would be like for number 5. This would be for number 5 if I match them up. All right. So for your homework, you got to go through and do the ones that are circled. Okay, and you got to go through it's a solution. You have to show your work just like I did on the other one. Okay, notice I put the show your work in here. Substitute the value in there. Right? Is it true? Yes or no? Okay, and then number 4. Okay, it's similar to number 1 that I did with you on the previous page, except for this time they only have one value of x. So you got to go through every single one and put All right, do the math here, see if it's true or not. All right, if it's not true, put a slash with the equal sign, write true or false. All right, and then we're going to skip down to number 6, and this is just like we did before here. We got this is like a multiple choice. Which one of those values is a solution to this equation right here? All right, and then when you get down to number 7, it's matching, and yes, you have to show all your work, which ones matches with which. All right, good luck.